we have completed the lesson, that is the first lesson of your second standard, that is Raksha Bandhan. So in that lesson already we have started discussing the question answers. So already we have finished some of the question answers given in the textbook. So now we have to move towards the next activity, that is let us write. So this activity is about writing activity. So turn the page number 6. In page number 6 they have given some pictures. According to, based on these pictures, we have to write what the actions are taking place, actions going on. See, first let us see what they wanted us to do here. So first, so this is the writing activity. Let us write. So in it activity, see the pictures and complete the sentences. One is done for you. Yes, as I told you, here some pictures are given for us. So by seeing these pictures, what we have to do? We have to write so below the picture we have given the sentence. One sentence is given for us, but the given sentence is not completed sentence. So what we have to do? We have to complete the sentence by using the word given in the bracket. See here some action words are given here, like trying, taking, giving, carrying. So these action words we have to fill in the blanks, and that blank, so that word should be suitable for the picture. Yes. So first 8th activity, what is it? See the picture and compare. Sorry, complete the sentence. Complete the sentences. One is done for you. Yes, one already they have done for us. For example, they have given one example for us. So according to that, we have to do the further activities also. See, for example, they have given, so the options here, the action words they have given. So what we have to do? We have to choose the given words for the blanks. So which are those words? Trying. So trying is one word. And next one they have given taking. T-A-K-I-N-G. Taking. Next word giving. Next word they have given carrying. Yes, these four words, action words they have given for us. So based on these words, what we have to do? We have to fill the blanks. See, first pictures, I will show you the pictures. Wait a second, I will show you the pictures here. Yes, students. So the first picture. Here in the first picture you can see. In first picture one girl is there and a boy is there. So here a girl and boy, what they are doing. So the sentence is given here. The given sentence is Vijay is dash his sister to hospital. So behind them a hospital is there. Can you see this hospital? Yes, here a hospital is there. So this Vijay, the boy he is named as Vijay and his sister. So the boy what he is doing? So he is taking. So what he is doing? He is taking his sister to hospital. So taking is the suitable word for the blank. So like that only, based on the picture, what we have to do? We have to write, we have to fill the blank with the given words. So let us move to the second picture. Yes, here also we can see one girl and one boy. So the girl is here Suma. The girl is here, Suma. So what she is doing? Suma, what she is doing? She is tying. Yes. So see here, you can see the girl, she is tying something on the wrist of her brother. Yes. So for that something is nothing but Rakhi. Yes. So given sentence is here like this. Suma is dash a Rakhi to her brother. So which word is suitable for here to the blank? So what she is doing here, what action is taking place? Which action is taking place here? Yes, tying. So the action tying is taking place. So for that, in this blank, what we have to write? We have to write tying. Okay? Yes. So let us move to the next picture. Third picture. Can you just see it? Yes. So the third picture here, also two children are there. One boy, one girl. So the boy is Vishal, and the sentence, in the sentence they have given his name. Vishal is dash a gift to Sarala. So in their hands we can see a gift box. So what Vishal is doing? Yes, he is giving. So the which action is taking place there? Giving. So the action of giving, the giving action, the work is going on. So for that, the word action word, which action word is suitable for the blank? Giving is the suitable word for the blank. So if you fill the blank with the word giving, the sentence will become the completed sentence. Like Vishal is giving a gift to Sarah. Okay. So next picture. So one more picture they have given here. So let us see that picture. Yes. So one more picture is there. A boy is there. What he is doing? So by seeing this picture, we can come to know that the boy is going to school. Yes, isn't it? So on his back we can see the school bag, his uniform. So by all this we can come to know that the boy, he is going to school. So the boy, what he is telling, I am dash a bag to school. So what he is doing with that bag? So yes, he is carrying that bag on his back, and he is carrying. So the boy, he is telling the action it is going, which action is going on? Carrying action is going on. I am carrying a bag to school. So correct suitable word here is carry. So all the words we have used are the words given in the bracket only. So let us, what we have to do? Let us write it. So let us complete the sentence. So I will write it on the board, and you all have to take it down in your notebook. So by the actions, by seeing the pictures, we came to know the actions of the, so which action is going on. So those action words already we have given. So the only thing what we had to do, we had to write the words in a correct sentence where the word it suits. So let us do that one. So already I have told you what does it mean by action word. So once again I will repeat it out. So action words are the words which tells us about the action or the work. So what work is going on or what action is taking place. The word which indicates the work or action, those kinds of the words are known as action words. Okay. So this it should be in your mind. Yes. So let us write the sentences one by one. So what is the first sentence? Already they have done it for us. Vijay is taking his sister to hospital. So taking here, the taking, which kind of the word it is? Yes, it is an action word. So A taking. The action word, which is the action word here? Taking is the action word. Taking who? His sister. His sister to hospital. Yes, this one already is done for us. So next sentence onwards we have to do. So as I showed you the picture, in that picture the girl Suma, what she is doing? What she is doing? She is tying. Yes. So the action, which action is going on here? The tying action is going. So tying a Rakhi to whom? To her brother. Yes. So now we have filled the blank with the word, action word, tie. So now the word sentence, it has become complete sentence. So let us move to the next sentence. So Vishal is dash a gift to Saran. Yes. So here in this picture, Vishal, what he is doing? Which action he is doing? Yes, he is giving. The action of giving is going on. So the word we have to write it as the action word as giving. So the last one is here. A boy is going to school and he is telling us, I am dash a bag to school. So what he is doing with that bag? Yes, carrying. Sorry. So he is carrying a bag. So he is telling us that I am carrying a bag to school. Yes. So now we have written all the words with the correct suitable words. We have filled the blanks with the suitable words given in the bracket. So take it down, and after taking this we will move towards the next activity. So take it down. Yes, students. So now we have to move towards the next activity, that is ninth activity. So it is an activity here given. So we know that the word between. So the word between, how it should be used, we have to come to know. So when we have to use between and how it is used and where it should be used, that all things we have to know. So this only we have given here. Before going to the activity, I will give you the there. Okay, here one tree is there. Think that. So here one river is flowing. Here one river is flowing. So then how we should tell the river is flowing at the middle of these two trees? How we should say? So here how many trees are there? 1 and 2. So in the middle the river is flowing. So here we have to use between. So as I told you, if two things, only there should be two things or two persons, not more than two things or two persons. If there is two things or two persons, then only we have to. So in the middle, if suppose you wanted to tell that in the middle, then you have to, instead of in the middle, you have to use the word between. So now I can tell it that the river is flowing between two trees. The river is flowing between two trees. Okay, if, see here. For example, now I have two pens in my hand. One is red, one is black. So suppose, so one is red and one is blue. Here in between, in the middle of these two pens, if I put a blue pen, so if I put a blue pen, then how I should tell? Yes. So where is the, so now think that now blue pen is not here exactly, but think it. So in the middle of these two pens, a blue pen is there. Then what you have to do? You have to tell that. Yes. So the one red pen and one black pen is there, and this blue pen, if I place it in the middle of these two pens, so how I should tell? So the blue pen, where is it now? In the middle of these two pens, red and black. So now I should use the word between. Why? Because so two are here, red and black. So in the middle of that blue is there. So now how I will tell? The blue pen is between black and red. So where is the blue pen? The blue pen is between black and red. So the between. So in the place of in middle, what we used between. See, suppose, so here me and my friends are, one of my friends are standing. So in between us, if think that you are standing in between, so middle of us, then what you have to tell? So if someone asks you that where you are standing, then how you should tell? So you should tell that I am standing between A and B. So suppose A is a person and B is a person. So C, the person C is between middle of A and B. So this A, see how he should tell that where he is standing. So he will say C is standing between A and B. C is standing between A and B. Okay. So here the most important thing is that there should be two things or two persons, not more than that. So if more than that are there, then we will use among. So here in this class, among we will not discuss, only we will discuss about the between. See, suppose think that okay, so your house is there. So your house is here. Think that your house is here. So the two sides of your house, if there are two trees, so then what you will tell? So if I ask you that where is house now, then how we will tell now? Yes. So So your house. So now how we will tell? My house is between. So it is between two trees. Not here we don't have more than two trees. So only two trees are here. So now we have to tell my house is between. My home is between, our house is between A tree and B tree. Okay? Yes. So the use of between we came to. So based on this only the activity is given for us. So this activity, students, so I will read it out. Listen carefully what I have given. Use between in the following sentence. Yes. So how to use between I have told you. Where to use also I have told you. So now here they have given some pictures. So by seeing these pictures we have to use between where it is necessary. So one example they have done here. The girls are, so I will show you the pictures. Sorry. Yes. You can see. See here. The girls are bringing the plate, keeping the rakhi between the lamps. So in a plate, the girls what they are doing. So see here in the picture they have shown you two lamps are here. So in the plate two lamps are here, and in the middle of these two lamps, what they have done, they have kept a rakhi. So for that, so only two lamps are there. How many lamps are there? Two lamps are there. So and at the middle of those two lamps they have put the rakhi. So for that here we can use between. So they have used, the girls are bringing the plate, keeping the rakhi between. Where? Between the lamps. Only two are there. In the picture you can see. How many are there? Two are there. So for that what we have used? Between. Yes. So let us move to the next picture. Here they have given the school. See here in the picture they have given a picture of school. Here at the middle. So two trees are there. Beside the school, two trees are there. Side by side the trees are there. So the school is dash the two trees. Where is school located here? Between. Why? Because in the middle of those two. See here in the middle. So the school is at the middle of these two trees. So only two trees are there. In the picture, see it carefully. So how many trees are there? Two. Only two trees are there. Not more than two. So only two trees are there. So for that we can use here between. So in the blank what we have to write here? Here in the blank we have to write between. Yes. Again I will write it on the board. Yes. So now turn the page. In next page we have another picture here. Yes. Yes students, here you can see a girl, she is driving a vehicle, and here we can see that Sumana, the name of this girl is Sumana. So what she is doing? She is sitting. Yes, you can see she is sitting. Where she is sitting? She is sitting dash the wheel and the seat. Dash the wheel and the seat. So here wheel is there. So she is sitting, wheel is here and seat he is here. So in the middle of the wheel and steering of the vehicle is not here. They have given it as the wheel and the chair where she has sat. So in the middle of these wheel and seat she has sat. So in the middle, so only wheel and seat are there. Only two things are there. And so for that what we can use here? We can use between. So we can read it as we can write here between, and the completed sentence will be like this. Sumana is sitting between the wheel and the seat. Okay. Okay, next, see here you can see a picture of dogs. So two dogs are here. How many dogs are here? Two dogs are here. In middle, at the middle of these two dogs, a puppy. So puppy in the sense the small dog is known as puppy. So a puppy is here. So where it is standing, the puppy, there is a puppy dash the two dogs. So two dogs are beside one by one, beside one by one, and at the middle the puppy is at the middle. So for that we can use here between. Only two dogs are here. So at the middle of those two dogs, the puppy is there. So for that we can write, there is a puppy between the two dogs. Okay. So I will write it on the board. So you fill the blanks. So first one is already done for us. For the second I will do it for you. The school is dash the two trees. So here in this blank we have to use between. Okay. Next, the second one, B is Sumana is sitting dash the wheel and seat. So here also we can use between. And last one, there is a puppy between. There is a puppy between the two dogs. Yes. So now we have completed this activity. So students, in next class. So in next class what we will do? We will continue with the next question and answers. So take it down. Here in this class we will. So this class we will wind up here. In next class we will discuss the further question answers. Take it down.